careful you are, tiny spots and traces just seem to appear there over time. So I thought, why not take a few minutes to make it shine again? I've got my cleaning spray and a soft cloth, nothing fancy, but definitely my favorite combo. I spray a bit on the wall and right away that fresh clean scent fills the air. Then I start wiping gently but firmly, making sure to get every little corner and edge. There's something really satisfying about this kind of cleaning. It's simple, but you can see the difference immediately. Each swipe of the cloth makes the surface brighter, smoother, almost like new again. While I'm working, I notice how the sunlight hits the tiles. The whole kitchen feels warmer, calmer, like it's breathing again. And honestly, that's what I love about cleaning. It's not just about making things tidy, it's about giving yourself a moment of quiet focus. When I finish, I take a step back and smile. Everything looks fresh, the light dances on the surface, and suddenly the space feels more alive. It's funny how small things like this can lift your whole mood. A few minutes, a little effort, and the whole room feels renewed. I think that's what makes it worth it, that peaceful moment at the end when everything just feels right.